confidential fund. And I wish to emphasize, ang confidential fund po ay pera ng taong bayan. I owe it to the people to explain kung paano ito ginastos. And to be specific, sinunod po ba natin ang joint circular regulating the use of confidential fund? Mr. Chair,
Black room.
as well, remind our esteemed colleagues that pursuant to the separation of power, we, the Congress, is exercising the power to legislate. Under this power, we also have the power of the purse. We can amend, we can revise, we can approve, and we can disapprove the budget that was proposed to us. Is no less than the General Appropriations Bill, which is
But the rest is
the
left.
parliament
And this for my man.
allocation
But I play with
for
even.
the entire Philippine government, which is the result of the legislative process of the Congress. In other words, ang budget po ng ating bansa ay napapaloob din sa isang batas, saklaw ng kapangyarihan ng Kongreso, and that is the power to legislate. To be able to make sure that the power of the purse is properly exercised, we are granted as well the oversight power, and that is to make sure that all our legislations, that includes the budget of the national government, the General Appropriations Act, are well complied with by our fellow public servants. And to make sure, and as a consequence of this oversight power, we have this equity in aid of legislation. So I just wish to remind the Filipino people, and that includes the OVP, ito po ay trabaho ng Kongreso. Busisiin ang budget. And not only that, to exercise the oversight power to make sure na yun pong ating mga nakaraang legislation, that includes the General Appropriations Act, ay nagamit ng tama ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno. I hope that the OVP will be enlightened to address the issues instead of attacking this institution, of politicizing and matters concerning politics, Mr. Chair. Third, Mr. Chair,
Dala nga.
Kaya pala sa Gcash.
Mr. Chair, we should be uniform in the application of our rules. If we are guided by the constitutional mandate that public office is a public trust, if we observe malfeasance, misfeasance, and non-feasance in the LGUs, as a matter of fact, we have pending inquiry in aid of legislation concerning LGUs.
Tapos yun yung kasama niya. Ikan Allen. Ikaw. Hindi ako yan. Ikaw yan.
Office of the Governor.
Lunes hanggang Linggo.
By equality under the law, we should conduct an investigation as well to the office of the Vice President. And I wish to thank the Honorable Valeriano for taking a stand to initiate this equity in aid of legislation to address the observation not only of this representation but of our fellow members of the Committee on Appropriations about the irregularities which we have seen already.
Actually, nakuha ko yung dating Roblox ulit, oh. Ayan na.
Only of the confidential fund, but
Alam mo kung paano? Paano? Pupunta ako sa Google. Tapos, ano? Kilala mo si Lando?
Just one question, Mr. Chair. Just one question.
The Honorable Marcoleta.
station, Mr. Chair.